Guess what? It's time to tackle the pantry. It's not that it's completely out of control, but it's to the point that no one can put much away without me. You know what I mean? It's kind of a hodgepodge mess combined of the last 3 houses that we've lived in, which have all had different sized pantries. So after living here for the past 2 years, I pretty well know where I want most things, and it's time for the update. It's totally been on my project list for quite a while. A few months, actually, but I just haven't made it a priority to do all of it. I've just been waiting for the right time, and that time is now. So come along, and let me show you how I did this. Tip number 1 is that I clear the room. I learned this tip from Dr. Zazio on hoarders. I noticed that every time she did this for her clients, the room looked amazing afterwards. So that's what I do. I clear it all out, everything. I mean, sure, it looks like a tornado hit or like a bomb went off, but that's part of the process, a very important part of the process. It's kind of like you're moving in, you know? This process can be an eye-opener of the amount of stuff that you have as well, because you never know what's hiding in that pantry. Tip 2 is to start counting. Start counting everything. I mean, count how many shelves you have, how many containers you have, how many you need, how tall the shelves are, stuff like that. This will help you get a good idea of the kind of grouping and containers that you will need to make this happen. Then I suggest you write everything down, everything that you see, everything that you have. Tip 3 is for you to put like things together. Those items that are similar in nature. Grouping items this way keeps everything in the pantry organized, and then it's easy to find, easy to access, and it makes making meals for this large family easier all the way around. I keep everything together in groups, from Italian foods, Asian foods, Hispanic foods, the more American food items, and then cereal, nuts, cutlery, paper goods, baking pans, baking items, dishes, whatever I have, I will find a home for it in here. Tip 4 is to make tags and labels. Simply look in the baskets and the groups that you've put together and come up with a name to easily identify what can be found in each basket. I took regular cardstock, decorative scissors, and a Sharpie for these not fancy basket labels. It's fast, it's simple, it's easy, no fuss. It's just how I like it. Very simple. Now for the last tip, tip 5, finish the process. Like Fly Lady Cat says, then just find a home for everything that's left or toss it in the trash. Are you ready for the live action tour? Here we go. So there you have it, the fastest way that I know to reorganize your pantry, or anything for that matter. Then you can just sit back and enjoy how functional it is. Be sure to like and subscribe this video and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a great week.